Good morning. It's Veda Day number 4. It's also Resurrection Sunday. For a lot of you, you know it as Easter. Good morning. It's early Sunday morning, my soul. Shall rise to thee. Listen, we are on the way in to church, or actually to our worship location, which is actually going to be outside today. So we're going a little vlog style today. Going to take you guys behind the scenes. You know what I'm saying? Some of the things we do on Sunday morning to get prepared. Hopefully this will help you. We'll be running things. Honestly, I'm prepared for 2 setups today. Because I know we've been running into some internet issues in this particular location. And so I got all kind of hot spots and backup options going on today. But you either gonna see me pull out the Ecamm Mini and we're gonna be running in the Ecamm, or you may see me pull out that good old iPad and that Switcher Studio, and we're gonna get these phones running up. But either way, I hope it's a good day. You know what I'm saying? I hope you're prepared. This is gonna be the first vlog I've done in I think like 3 years. I think I was doing this whole little vlogging series like 3 years ago, maybe 4 years ago, like 2017, 2018. So yeah, let's get it. Man, listen, we just arrived on location. Well, no, I ain't just arrived. Y'all just seeing me arrive. We done been here since like 7:15. Finishing up some setup now, so I'm gonna walk around a little bit in a second, go through a couple of things, just show you how we running the show today. Give you a quick behind the scenes look of the run of show. It's supposed to get started at 11 o'clock. I'm supposed to be done, ready to go in an hour. So yeah, let's get it done. Yo, so I don't know if y'all can hear me right now. It's super lit. Crazy super lit. Crazy super lit. Crazy super lit. I know it's blown out. You probably can't hear me, but I'm gonna turn the camera around just so you can get an idea of what we got going on. All right, so running everything. I'm going multi-camera setup right now, going through the Ecamm Mini. Actually going in the Ecamm. I'm doing all my graphics and everything. That's Facebook metrics over there going crazy. Got the Ecamm software in the background. Multi-view over here. All right. And then got this going out recording over here on another computer.
Put your name in the comment section. I got some children. I want them to be a part of children's church. Go ahead and put your information in that comment and we'll get.
I know it's crazy loud right now. You can't hear me. But yeah, shout out to Ecamm. Ecamm on Easter, baby. Let's go.
Every time I wake up, I get a chance to wake up. Thank God I got a chance to wake up. Wake up, another day that get my cake up. Cake up, cause every time I wake up, I get a chance to wake up. Wake up, wake up.
Hey, are you excited on this Sunday morning?
Make some noise!
Look, we in the building. We want you to welcome you to the Any Day Now pre-show and Sunday celebration.
Yeah.
Hey, look.
Resurrection
Hey, come on. He lived today. He was risen today. It's enough to be excited about on this Sunday morning. You know who it is. It's your boy, Pastor Rich, a.k.a. The Encourager. And you know who we got in the building, Alicia, a.k.a. the Bishop in the house.
For this is the day that the Lord has made. We shall rejoice and be glad in it. Do I have anybody that's glad out there today?
So today is done. Today is over with. Wasn't able to really show as much as I wanted to, but I hope I was able to show you enough to make you ask some questions. Again, today was incredible. Overall, great day. wasn't a good streaming day. It was a good production day, but wasn't a good streaming day, just to be 100% honest. And you know, when you work on production teams, when you work on media teams, the service might be over, but the job never ends, you know. So going back to review all the footage, chop everything up, get ready to load it to YouTube, social media, mix the audio, all those good things. But yeah, like I said, for the most part, that's an every Sunday type thing. We just moved it outside. So basically, I'm running a 3 to 4 camera setup, running that into the 810 Mini. The 810 Mini is actually being used as my switcher. Running that into Ecamm. I'm also using Pro Presenter 7, running Pro Presenter 7 into Ecamm through NDI. So running that NDI over the same network for my song lyrics and scripture, lower thirds, all of those different types of things. And yeah, Ecamm really comes to life when we get to do things like the Any Day Now morning show that I hope you were able to catch some clips of or whatever. And I'm, you know, like I said, hopefully the B-roll that we included, parts of service, make sense. So yeah, overall today was a good day. Like I said, if you have any questions, definitely drop those in the comments below. We can definitely talk about that. But again, it's Veda, day number 4. Y'all be easy. Day number 5 coming tomorrow. Not sure what we got planned yet, but maybe we'll talk about some more Ecamm stuff, some more live production stuff. All right, until next time, see you guys in the next video. Be easy.